We're talking about formative assessments, ITL 528. This is assignment 1, week 2. In slide 14, it says in week 3, link your formative assessments you create. Leave this as is in week 2. So when I'm thinking about a formative assessment when teaching skills in volleyball, on this project I worked from, we're talking about mastering the serve. So in the first portion of this assignment, I mentioned, we'll start from the beginning of just understanding how high to throw the ball and when to attack it in the air. And then once the students master that, then they can graduate on to serving to a non-moving partner. And then the final stage of that, before a competitive game, they would serve to a moving partner. And I forgot to mention in phase 2 of that, there wouldn't be a net. So it would just be working on accuracy and basically understanding how the body works, and understanding time and space, effort awareness, stuff like that. And then we would then add the aspect of the net in. So then they can control trajectory, control effort. But this is, so what I would do for a formative assessment here is, you could ask questions after class like, hey, what were some important aspects throughout your serve that made you successful today? Why were you accurate? You can even bring in a little bit of anatomy, like at what point during the serve or during impact with the volleyball did your elbow reach full extension? You can also set up a modified game, a 3-on-3 game. So there's less people involved, and they can kind of get a sense of how to strategize and how to place the ball and actually play the game without having so many moving elements at one time. In PE, this is called teaching games for understanding, but it can also be used as a formative assessment. So this is how I would attack the formative assessment aspect of this assignment.